4번. 대화를 듣고 그림에서 대화의 내용과 일치하지 않는 것을 고르시오.
Ted, what are you looking at on your smartphone?
Hi, Nancy. It's a photo of the food truck that my brother Tom recently opened. Take a look.
Okay. Oh, I love this teddy bear on top of the truck. It's very cute.
Right. Do you see the sign on the truck?
Yes, it says Tom's Organic Food. Your brother is selling organic food. Nice.
Yeah. This man inside the truck is my brother.
He looks cool wearing his chef's hat.
Look at this standing signboard for the menu. Isn't it pretty?
Absolutely. I like that it's decorated with flowers.
And my brother set up this table with a parasol for the customers.
Yeah, the stripe pattern parasol looks good. I'd like to visit the food truck someday.
Sure. Let's go there together.